Hello, my name is Michael Glass, and I'm coming to you from EasyMeatyTradingCoach.com. And we have a couple disclosures for you to read here at your leisure, but in the end, it basically comes down to any investment decision you make is solely your own responsibility, and that you should trade at your own risk. So, a question I have for you is, what exactly right now is holding you back from your investment goals? Do you make emotional decisions? You have a fear of loss, and so you hesitate, and then that fear of missing out has you chasing a trade? Or you fall into analysis paralysis, you're looking for too many confirmations for its trading setup? Or maybe you're not comfortable with the risk of a trade, and therefore that keeps you out. And of course, the most obvious one is what goals? You don't have a trading plan, you don't have a trading system. Instead, you're trading on a wing and a prayer. Now, you might be surprised, but there are a couple false prophets that I kind of include in this trading on a wing and a prayer. You have a friend that recommended you to buy a company here. Or perhaps you're watching CNBC and an analyst said now's a good time to buy or sell a particular company. What about the fancy data indicator in the back of the Wall Street Journal or Investor Business Daily? Or that website subscription letter, or a trading room telling you to buy or sell here, or even a turnkey trading system. Now, keep in mind that I am not saying that there's anything wrong with these false prophets. What I'm saying is that you trading them blindly is a problem, and that's trading on a wing or prayer. You're doing something because somebody told you to, not because it's an educated decision. I think there's totally nothing wrong with incorporating these things into your trading plan, but you still have to know who you are as a trader to determine if what they're telling you to do fits you as a trader. We've all been there. Perhaps on a Sunday afternoon, or maybe you couldn't sleep and you're up late one night, and we've all seen these infomercials. And, we've got the ShamWow and the Snuggie and the Chop-O-Matic. But this time, as you're flipping through, you see an infomercial on the stock market. And this intrigues you because you've got a 401k at your job, and maybe you've got some money to your side, and you've always heard that the stock market is supposed to be this wealth builder, and they're having this free seminar, and you figure, hey, I'll just go sit in the back of the room, get the information that I need, and kind of move on. So the day the presentation comes, you go, and it turns out it's a great presentation. They've got sound effects, video, transitions for all their PowerPoints, and they tell you how they're going to transform you into this supernova trader if you just sign up for their service. So although you didn't plan on it, you do decide to go ahead and sign up for the service, and maybe it's a 2-day training, or they've got some videos online, and you decide to go ahead and go through the training, and you take good notes, and the next day comes around after the training, and the market opens, and you place your first trade. Now, unfortunately, for many people, that first trade ends as a loss. So what do you do after that? And what many traders do is they fall into what I call the Google cycle of trading. And that's where they begin to Google all the false prophets. Maybe they heard someone talk about a fancy indicator, so they're Googling that indicator, or they saw somebody on CNBC and they're Googling that, and they jump from system to system, indicator, looking for the Holy Grail, but they don't change their trading result. Because the Holy Grail, according to Dr. Van Tharp, and I believe this also, is not about the system. It's not about the indicator. The Holy Grail is about who you are as a trader and how you handle the internal battle between wins and losses. When you are at peace with yourself as a trader, you know who you are, and you understand that when you enter the market, it's about the cost of doing business. It's not about being right or wrong. It's about leveling the playing field, putting the odds in your favor, defining your edge, and when you enter the trade, if it is a loss, that's the cost of doing business. It's not that you're wrong, that you know over time, my system is going to have me being on the consistent profitable side, and every now and then, I have to pay the cost of doing business. It's not about the indicator. It's not about the system. It's not about these external factors. Instead, it's internal. It's about who you are as a trader, defining that, defining how you are with risk, and how much you can take comfortably. So for some people, it's none. It's not about a guru who can tell you buy now, sell now. You could be in a great room with a great percentage of profitable trades, but if you're not comfortable trading them, if you're not comfortable with the stops that they ask you to take, then you're going to change the results of that room. So the obvious question is, how can we at Mini Trading Coach help you? Well, the name says it all. We're coaches. We're here to help you clarify those goals, to clarify your trading plan, and help you develop steps to reach that goal. We're here to help you to become focused and disciplined and learn how to be a high probability trader. Now, we have a couple ways of doing that. And first, we want to talk about who needs a coach. Now, you may not recognize this person, you probably don't. But I showed the whole picture. You can see this is Tiger Woods' new golfing coach. After that plus 18 missed the cut, he hired him as a coach. You may recognize this as Phil Jackson. And the question I have for you is, how many rings did Michael Jordan win before Phil Jackson? 0. How many rings did Kobe and Shaq win before Phil Jackson? 0. Because the job of a coach is not to know more. It's not to be a better athlete. It's not to be a better trader. The job is to help that athlete, to help you as a trader identify who you are and put you in positions to succeed, to design a system, the triangle system, to design a swing, design trades that fit you as a trader, and it will allow you to be in a position to be profitable more often than not. One of the ways that we do that is through our video curriculum series. It's broken down into 3 parts where we don't know where you are as a trader, so we do have a building blocks video where we go over technical analysis, chart patterns, the psychology of trading, portfolio management. And then we want to really get into the components of a trading plan. And we start to look at market direction, where to buy the trades, the setups to look at once we get a good location, and more importantly, how to manage the trade once we're in. And then the third part, we kind of bring it all together by looking at the setups once again, how market internals can affect our setups, and then developing the routines and habits of successful high probability traders. We have a product right now where you can get access to those video series for only $249. Now, you all know most places are selling these for $3,000, $4,000. We're selling it for $250 because it's not about the videos. It's not about the system. That's why we're including one coaching session as a part of this, because it's about the internal, helping you master yourself, as Seinfeld would say, become the master of your domain as a trader. So that will give you for $250. But in addition, we're here to be a coach. We're here to help you become a high probability trader. We're here to help you develop a personalized trading plan, to learn the routines and habits of winning traders. So we do have a coaching series for you. We have a bronze level, which is 4 1-hour coaching sessions for a little under $500. Silver, which is 10 1-hour coaching sessions for a little under $1,000. And our gold level is 4 months, 4 1-hour coaching sessions for a little under $1,500. You've seen this for indicators, and that doesn't change your trading. All 3 of these packages include unlimited access to the video curriculum. And also, if you just want to check in, you just want an analysis, we do have individual sessions for $100. We also have some freebies for you. We are on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, E-Mini Trading Coach. Check us out. And every Sunday on Ustream, we have a stock market weekend wrap-up where we go over what happened in the past week, identify key support and resistance levels, and then help you get prepared for the upcoming weekend, the market moving events, the economic calendar, the earnings calendar. Every Sunday, free live 1-hour webinar on Ustream. So come to our website, eminiTradingCoach.com, and click on the link and you can join us. But, we want to end with this. As we said, it doesn't matter about the trading system. It doesn't matter about the indicator. It doesn't matter about the trading setup if in the end you're not pulling the trigger on the trade. You can know all that information, but that's what we can do as a part of our video and curriculum series, is help you to remove from the external factors of trading and help you learn how to develop the internal psychological capital that you need to be a successful trader. We've got a video curriculum with bonus coaching sessions, and we've got coaching packages to help you become a better trader. Stop investing money in external things. Invest in yourself and invest in your own success. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you next time.